Hey, to install memory card on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, all you have to do is just to grab your phone, grab the SIM tool. You can actually find it in the box of your smartphone, and input this SIM tool inside this SIM slot, just right here. Now you have to press on it gently, and from this you can use your fingernails, and you will also get this notification that the SIM card tray is open. So grab it like this, pull it a little bit, now to input this card into your phone, you will have to actually put it on the second side. As you can see, it's here, and we have to input this card like this. There we go, and now we can input it inside. That's how it looks. Press on it gently, and as you can see right now, it is inside. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel.